Hey guys, in this video we are gonna unbox the logitech g302. So we are gonna unbox this today and we are gonna give the review in 2 days. So stay tuned and subscribe for that video. So let's begin the video.
Subscribe to Tech Unicorn channel and then click the bell icon to get notified when I put a new video.
So guys, as I said in this video, we are gonna unbox this logitech g302. So let's begin the overview and the box content and the software content also. So let's begin the unboxing. As I said in this video, we are gonna unbox this mouse. So this is the logitech thing right in here, and it's showing the lights which will glow if you're on this mouse, and the designs are there and all. This is the model of the gaming mouse which we are having, and the same goes here, which is written here and all. And the barber code is here. So this is all the specs and all the things they are stating off. And so let's unbox this thing. And it does not have much to show because it's just a mouse, but it's a gaming mouse. So we have unboxed this, and it has Chinese thing going on and English one also here. So we don't need that. And this one says the software, where you can get the software, like the logitech.com and all. And here's the mouse, so we can speak about the things of the mouse. Now see, you can feel the clicks, it's very good, and the DPI button is correctly fixed at the same spot, because normally you won't click that by incidentally. And the scroll wheel feels good, it's very grippy and all. And the wire is very good for the price they are giving it, and it's not embedded, and it is not normally it is a fat wire, so it is good. And it is having the configurable button, so it is great, and it is having a great precision for it. Normally we don't see in this price range. And we can see the colors are very great, but it is a problem because except of blue you cannot configure it for any color, but you can change the breathing pattern if you want not to breathe and all. You can do that. And pretty much it is for right-handed use, so I would not suggest for the left-handed use, because if you are gaming and you want the extra buttons today, you cannot have it on the left, so it's a problem. And you can configure that for anything in the settings. Normally you can go for the software and you can change it for anything, the configure button. And it's weirdly shaped, so I think you should consider that also as a problem, because normally normal people are not configurable for that purpose thing. The mouse is not that much good for normal usage. It's for gamers, and it is difficult to hold on. It is grippy, but the thing is you can feel the pain when you're gaming. So guys, I think you like this video. If you aren't, give it a fat thumbs up. If you are seeing what to see next, click this recommended videos and go watch that. And if you want to connect on this journey, click in the round subscribe button to subscribe this channel. That's all for this video. Tata, peace.